Well,
something's going to happen.
first peek really at the car.
For the record, I'm extremely nervous.
We're gonna fire this bitch up or what?
We're gonna try.
Okay.
All right,
Let's do it.
There it is.
Ah.
I mean, it's leaking. It's not leaking a lot.
What's the worst that could happen?
As long as we have spark fuel and there's air, it's gonna come to life. But I think you guys want to see failure also.
It's gonna happen now. Oh, hey, what's up, Jesse?
Yo. It's been a while since the last video.
Yeah, it's been a little
If you
bit.
paid attention to the channel, you know that we haven't put a video on in a while.
I haven't seen one, but yeah.
Are you even subscribed?
Yeah.
This is what I think in my head, what I'd want, what I think looks good. You know, so again, the base components, period correct. Nothing would change as far as like back then to now. The concept is really the same as far as like what I think looks good. Simple setup. The more minimal, the better.
Wait, hold on. In the comments below, tell us if you think this is a simple setup.
Oh, it's extremely simple setup.
And do you think you would have seen this in the 90s? I don't think so. This is not, I don't know what period you're talking about, but this period correcting, I don't know. Jesse, what do you think? I don't know.
I think if it was an open wallet build in the 90s, this can be achieved.
Open wallet?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, full function didn't exist.
No.
This style, I know the V-mount was kind of around, but this
Yeah.
is all custom made. No one was doing this back in the day, even Amemiya himself, right?
I promise you, it's an Amemiya V-mount kit. The only thing that's actually left from him is the radiator. The plumbing is completely different. The intercooler is still Amemiya,
The
but
mounting bracket's different.
oh yeah, they're totally different.
Okay, so
Those
what
things-
part of the kit is still left?
the core component?
The radiator core.
just like the turbocharger. So the turbocharger is, you know, a Trust T78. I think it's a 34D series, but everything around it has been changed to my liking. You know, the downpipe, I had custom made. Whatever was done back then or offered with the kit, it wouldn't have been acceptable again as far as like the vision.
Period correct, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll let you believe that.
I think it is. So
Maybe it should be correct. Period.
Without like video option, like really putting these things out there, in my opinion, I don't think they would have been portrayed as what they were. It just, the message wouldn't have gotten out like how killer these platforms are. On that note, seeing those and growing up and watching those videos and having like these kind of components, I'm actually going to be able to drive it and feel like what they've gone through, but this is what I wanted. I want to experience what I actually kind of grew up on.
Why don't you let's do a quick walkthrough, because I know we're going to do the startup. Or we're
Okay.
going to attempt the startup today. But just give us a quick walkthrough, because we haven't really taken any shots. This is like kind of the first time I've seen light of day for most people. So just walk us around the car for your period correct build here.
All right, so 13B REW engine in it. It's been rebuilt several years ago. It's a factory spec build, nothing crazy. Grady T78 turbo kit with a few additional visual spicy items on it. Amemiya V-mount kit that's been altered. Full function engineering light rail kit, primary, secondary. You know, I've got modern fuel injectors in it, custom hardline fuel system. Let's see if it doesn't leak.
And you're on a Power FC, yes?
Currently right now it's on a Power FC.
That is period correct for sure.
That is correct. You know, there's a few beauty products here and there.
Well, let's look at the beauty products real quick,
Okay.
so everybody can get a gander of your car. So tell us what we're looking at here. Obviously, we got the T37s, yes?
Correct. T37s, these were just recently recoated, but they're SLs. They're pretty much made to look like OG T37s. Again, period correct look, right?
Yeah,
right?
I'll give you that. You didn't see that in the 90s and 2000s?
So-
Except for those big-ass brakes.
No, back then they had them. They had them back then.
That size? I don't know what option videos you were watching, but I didn't see those in those option videos. But all right, I'll give you that.
So this has a full 99 spec Aero kit, authentic 99 spec front bumper, side skirts, 99 spec wing, stock body. Originally this is a Montego Blue car, so it's a 1993. This has been repainted, pretty much taken off every body panel, all of the glass to do a full respray on this. Amemiya Dolphin tail exhaust. Everything is really loosely put on this car, mainly because it's like the first time that I'm really ever bringing this out. It's been years in the making. I've been working tirelessly on this for years. It's just I go through a phase where I'll work on it maybe for a few weeks and I work on one part of the project and then I put it away because I have to work on everybody else's cars.
Are you talking about me? Okay, thanks.
I just made myself a goal. The car sat for too long and I just really want to see this thing come to life. So I made a goal to have this car running by end of the year, December 2025. Well, what's our current date right now?
7th.
February 7th, 2026. So I came really close to hitting that target. What matters is I didn't give up no matter how hard it became.
Yeah.
Right, so here we are. Aside from that, Ganador mirrors.
Oh, yeah, you got to
Ganador mirrors.
those, yeah.
Period correct, okay?
For ballers.
Okay, this is a simple setup, open wallet build. Let's call it that.
Can you put simple setup and open wallet in the same sentence, Jesse? Can you do that?
It's not what I see when I open my wallet.
No, but seriously, guys, this is a simple setup. Like, if you look at it, it looks really simple. There's a lot of thought, a lot of time put into it. But essentially, the goal is to, when you look at it, it just looks very simple. And I think I pulled that
I'm
off.
going to ask your buddy Eric at Rad Potential if he thinks that your car is a simple setup. I think we'll get a different answer from him.
It is
I'm
a
gonna ask
simple.
him.
Let's ask Jesse.
Is this a simple setup, Jesse?
Does this look simple?
I think the word you're looking for is clean.
Simple. Same
Is clean and
translation.
simple the same? Can you say this?
Yeah.
Can clean and simple be the same?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
In a way, yes, but
See?
also no. In a way.
Everything is put together. We have fluid in the car. I've done a few preliminary checks, and it seems like it's going to work. It hasn't come to life yet.
How much fluid do you think we'll leave on the driveway?
All of it.
Batteries charged.
Battery's charged.
Everything's connected. Ish.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna fire this bitch up or what?
We're gonna try.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do it. Should we get the fire extinguisher?
Yes.
For full context, I have to share a story about this car because this car actually has meaning to me because this was the car that Greg took me for a ride in to convince me to buy a fucking Rotary. And at the time, you were on the stock twins, right? When
Yeah.
it was, yeah. So it was on the stock twins, had exhaust, didn't have much on it, but man, it was a fun car. So it convinced me to buy that was 9 years ago.
Few years
It was a
ago.
long time ago. And my life has been interesting ever since. So anyways, this car has some meaning to me, so I just wanted to throw that in there. Not that any of you care.
So, have any of you guys used fire extinguishers before?
Hopefully we don't have to use those.
For the record, I'm extremely nervous.
Oh, you should be. It'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen?
All right. I don't have a battery mount yet.
I think that's the least of your worries at this point.
Yeah.
Hey, you're not wearing a tank top today.
I thought about it.
You ever want to see Greg nervous? This is it, right here. Right here.
All right.
Drum roll, please.
Can you give me a little bit of gas? Like, just barely like that.
Don't use all your muscles.
I was gonna go inside. I was like, wait, that's right here.
Fuel pressure is a little on the low side. The battery doesn't sound strong enough.
You got a jumper pack?
Actually, I do. Oh, that would have hurt. That would have hurt so bad.
Woo, lordy.
That would have hurt so bad. All right.
Right.
Let's see if it sounds better. You know what? Huh. There it is.
Ah. I like the satisfying click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see
If
now.
that is our biggest problem, today was a success.
Yeah. All
So-
right.
Let's do it.
Okay, now I'm really nervous. So that's a crank trigger for ignition. All right, you ready? The only question now is if I did them on the right, positive and negative, so they can get mixed up real easy.
The soundtrack is perfect. Oh, this is perfect.
That's a regulator. Yeah, it's fuel pressure regulator. All right, they're reversed.
Okay. Once again, if this is our biggest problem, it's a win. This time it's gonna happen.
It's pretty low. I mean, it's leaking. It's not leaking a lot. I think I'm actually gonna have to check and verify I have spark. The fuel pump right now is wired to like factory specs, so it has like the 5-volt reference. I think I'm just gonna put it on a relay and run it at 12 volts. I'm pretty sure fuel pressure will jump up. I think we're gonna have to go for round 2 after I do a couple of checks. But did things rotate? They did things?
It did
Yeah.
things.
Sounded-
It did more things than it did yesterday.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I mean, I expected not success. It's at least giving me something.
something's better than nothing.
Yeah.
And we didn't have to use the fire extinguishers.
Oh man, I'm so happy
So
for that.
that's a bonus, right?
My homeowner's insurance will appreciate that as well. Honestly, the concept's pretty simple. As long as we have spark, fuel, and there's air, it's going to come to life. But right now, it looks like fuel pressure is a little lower than I would expect. I think it's going to be a simple fix on that, but I've also got to check and see spark's going good.
Do you think we're the only ones that deal with this on Rotaries? I think we're the only ones that... I feel like there's other people that do have the same problems we do.
I would say they are. Our track record, it happens more often than anybody else.
I want to find out in the comments below if you think, or if you have the same kind of problems that we do, or if it's just us, we're the idiots. Let us know, because, you know, sharing the pain is always nice.
All right, I have an idea. Why don't you try cranking?
This is not an RX-8, Jesse.
Go ahead.
It's going to happen now.
Okay, you're good. Yeah, it still sounds weak too.
You think the fuel pressure is low because the battery's low?
Could be that too. I think when you wire it to like dedicated 12 volts, kind of like how I did yours, it sits at about 50.
Oh.
It's called a 5-volt reference. It's for like emissions.
Emissions? What the?
Yeah, so it's it runs 5 volts on like low like power demand, and then it'll basically sweep up to 12 volts and increase pressure. But
you got a relay? Can we just fucking jerry rig something to go straight to the fuel?
that's how fires happen.
Yes.
But I have a kit. I just didn't wire it up because I saw fuel pressure and I was like, it'll be fine. But I think between that and then probably actually getting a battery, that's your old battery.
Oh, that's your first problem.
But I got to verify spark, and then I got to check the what positive or negative is, because I still might not have it right.
On the crank trigger?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see that comment? Someone left us a very nice compliment on our channel. Did you see that comment?
I didn't see it, but that's very flattering.
Very flattering.
Yeah.
I don't know if somebody's trolling us, but I'll take it. So whoever you are, thank you.
Well, if you're trolling us, don't tell us.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah. Today it wasn't successful. It's honestly not the end of the world. It probably won't take much to actually find an answer as to why this isn't turning over, or not turning over, but turning on. I'll get right to the drawing board. Again, I know I have fuel. I just don't think I have enough fuel. Easy problem to solve. I'm just going to wire that directly to a relay so it'll run off of a 12-volt dedicated source. Going to check and make sure I have spark. The triggers, I may have them reversed. I've got to check pinouts on that and see whether I do or not. But I think once I figure out whether I have spark or not, it's probably going to come to life, maybe with a good battery also. But overall, I'm happy. It cranks. I have power, and the car, I think, looks pretty good. It's not in its final stage, but I think you kind of get the picture as far as like what my idea is. It's hard to explain it to individuals without actually showing you like the actual result, and I think pretty close to getting there.
Yeah, and we've kept this car under wraps for that reason, right? You know, we're just, you know, we're not showing it yet because whatever. So this is like kind of like a first peek really at the car.
But I think you guys want to see failure also. So I mean,
for sure. We get plenty of people saying that we don't know what we're doing anyway. So, you know, feel free to drop more comments like that if you like. But hey, you guys are on the journey with us. The next video will hopefully, it'll be actually running.
I think it's time to go eat.
Let's go eat.
Yeah.